Hello everyone. Hi. Hello. Welcome back. Did you miss me? Did you? Hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you already know me, hello. And if you don't, well, hello to you too. Welcome. For today's video, I wanted to do something really fun because I'm feeling a little bit uninspired right now. So I want to get out of my comfort zone a little bit and try something new. So what I'm gonna do, as you read in the title, is the mystery makeup challenge. I don't want to call it a challenge because I want to do this every so often so I can change up my ideas a little bit. So what this consists of is that in this bag I have shimmer eyeshadows, and in these two bags I have matte eyeshadows. I wrote them down in little like popsicle sticks because obviously like I don't have single eyeshadows I can just pick. So I wrote the names on the little things, and I'm gonna close my eyes and pick 4 matte eyeshadows and 1 shimmer shadow, and whatever I get I have to create a look with it. I want to do it later on with also lipsticks and highlighters and blushes, but I don't have that many blushes, and I also ran out of popsicle sticks, so I didn't want to go out and buy more because who the fuck has time for that? I don't. So we're gonna do it with eyeshadow and see how I like it. I want to say before I start that this is not my idea. I fucking repeat, this is not my idea. I don't want later on someone saying,
"Oh my god, you stole this from an idea. That's not original."
I'm gonna say right now, this is not my fucking idea. I saw this on J Kissa's channel. I love J Kissa. She's, for me, one of the best. And I wanted to try it because it looked fun, okay? This is not my fucking idea. I think she also did it from someone else, but I really don't know who. So I'm gonna say that it was J Kissa, okay? It was not my idea. Okay? Okay? It's out there. I can do anything. I have the mattes in 2 little different bags because I had too many and they didn't fit in one. So I'm gonna take 2 from this bag and 2 from this bag and go along the way. I didn't put all the names of all the eyeshadows I own because many eyeshadows are fairly similar, and I didn't want to have like a lot of neutral shades because I want to get out of my comfort zone. And I want to like
A brown smoky eye.
you know, like I want something different. I'm gonna wait to get all the shades so I can see them because I want it to be a surprise. So let's see what I get. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so screwed. For the matte eyeshadows, I have Abduction from the Jeffree Star Alien palette, Poof from the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection Dark Magic palette, Mystic from the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection, the Bling Boss palette, T from the James Charles palette, and for shimmer, I have VIP Jaclyn Hill Vault Armed and Gorgeous palette. Okay. I think we can actually work with this. Okay, so let me prime my eyes. Look at the colors really well, look at them together, and figure out what I'm gonna do. And I'll see you right back. So, as I was opening all the colors, I completely forgot that Abduction by Jeffree Star Cosmetics is a bright neon lime green. I think I can make it work, honestly. because Mystic is kind of like a purpley shade, and purple and green go well together. So I might pop Abduction all over the lid and do like and deepen that shade out with Mystic and Tea. I'm just gonna do Poof like as a brow bone highlight or something. We'll see what we end up doing, but I think I'm going on that route. Okay, so I'm gonna grab Mystic with Morphe M506, and I'm gonna pop that in the crease, and I'm gonna put it in the crease without blending it. You see how this color is like a purple type shade? So I think that if I put this in the crease and then blend this color out with the brown, aka Tea, by the James Charles palette thing, and I put Abduction all over the lid, it could work. Okay, now that I have this with the Morphe M514, I'm gonna grab Tea, but like a little bit, because I want it to look really smoky. And I'm gonna try to blend out Mystic a little bit more to the brow. This is looking muddy. This is looking disgusting, like so fucking bad. Let's see what happens if I grab the Morphe M433 with the color Poof and try to blend that shit into something useful. Poof is a dumb color, and listen, I'm gonna grab Mystic again and try to add more of Mystic, because I feel that this is the only decent color here. Okay, with that, I'm gonna grab Tea again. Tea again. With the Morphe 514 again. And I'm gonna try, really try this time, and do something useful with this ugly ass color. It's not like the colors are ugly, it's like the mixture is ugly. It's not my color. If you like this color, good for you. I don't. So I'm trying to like it. It's looking better. Okay. We're getting somewhere. We are. Kinda. I think. I don't know. Don't judge me. I'm gonna grab Mystic again with the M456, and I'm gonna like put it there because I want a little bit of the purple to show more, and it's not showing up that much. Should I cut the crease and add Abduction there? Okay, hear me out. What if I do like a little triangle and put the abduction shade there, and it's kind of geometric? I kind of fucks with that. Since I don't want to fuck this up completely, I am gonna outline the fucking triangle I want to do with a little brush and the NYX Jumbo eye pencil in milk, because I don't want to be dumb, you know? I don't want to just pull up something in that I cannot take out later. So I'm just gonna do that and see where this takes us, because you never know. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it. I need silence, s'il vous plaît, because if not, I'm gonna fuck it up. So I'm gonna fill the triangle first with the milk jumbo eye pencil and then put abduction in it. Jesus Christ, por favor, señor. Now that I have the shape, I'm gonna grab an angled brush and I'm gonna grab a little angled brush and dip it into abduction and do the edges first, and then I'm gonna fill it in, just in case I really fuck up, which we do not want. Oh my god, look at the color. Like, look at that fucking bright green. I'm scared. Okay, so this is what I got. I think it looks pretty cool, but I think it will look better if I outline it with some Jeffree Star Drug Lord. I think it will really make the difference, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna outline it with the Jeffree Star Drug Lord because I really think it's gonna make it better. I don't know if this is cheating. I don't think so, because I'm not adding any eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, I need to clean it up, so I'm gonna grab a little brush like this and put the color abduction and try to hide those spots where white got in that I shouldn't have. So I'm gonna do my face and my brows, and I'll be right back to finish the look. Okay, so for the bottom eyes, I'm just gonna put Mystic and buff that out, because honestly at this point I don't even know what I'm doing. I really don't know. Oh my god. For my inner corner, I'm gonna use VIP. That was the shimmer shade that we got, and just go with it. I don't even know if it goes. Kind of does. Kind of does. So I'm gonna put this all over. Not gonna lie, I kind of hate it, but I like it at the same time, if one could feel that way. That's how I'm feeling right now. I love it and I hate it, but let's keep going. I fucking guess. For lashes, I'm gonna use BADDIE by BADDIE lashes. I'm gonna use these lashes because they wing out and I wanna be able to see the triangle. Like, it's not gonna be visible if I put any fucking lash, but whatever, I'm just gonna use these. Okay, what's next? Contour. Let's contour, bitches. Okay, I'm gonna contour the ABH contour kit, and I'm gonna use the color Fawn. This one. I always use, I don't know how that shade is not dented, because that's the only contour I use. I don't know why I haven't hit pan, but I'm good with that. For blush, I'm gonna use Fuji by MAC with a Morphe E4. For highlight, I'm gonna use VIP, the color that we got for mystery makeup, because why not? We have it here, might as well use it. For the lips, I'm gonna use Triggered by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I know I'm kind of crazy for using this color, but if we're going out there, we are. Like, that's it. Okay, we're done with this makeup look. I know it's kind of crazy, but I wasn't expecting these colors. Like, what the fuck? But I think we made it work. What do you think? It's different. So next time I might do it with lipsticks too, to see what I get. And as soon as my blush collection grows, I might add blush too. So I know this is kind of crazy, but it's what we got. If you like this video, don't forget to tell me, and I will do more mystery makeup type thing video. So I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in another video. Bye, bitches.